How to make your TikTok messages more private. Want to keep your TikTok messages away from people who shouldn't see them. Here's the truth, TikTok doesn't have a hide or lock button for chats, but there are real built-in privacy settings that actually work. Let me show you exactly what you can do right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're covering TikTok's actual message privacy options, the ones that are really inside the app. No fake features, just what works. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open TikTok and tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the three lines at the top right to open Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Privacy, then tap Direct Messages. Here you can control exactly who is allowed to message you. You can set it to friends only, which means only people you follow back can send you messages, or you can select no one to completely turn off incoming messages. Step 3. Still inside Direct Messages settings, turn on Safe Mode. This automatically hides messages that contain sensitive or potentially harmful content. You will still have the option to view them if you choose, but they won't appear openly in your chat. Step 4. You can also set up filtered keywords. Turn on the filtered keywords option and type in any words or phrases you want automatically hidden from your chats. This keeps unwanted content out of your inbox without you having to manually delete anything. Step 5. For extra protection, go back to your privacy settings and make sure your account is set to private. When your account is private, strangers cannot message you at all unless you follow them back. Pro tip: the most powerful combination for privacy is setting your account to private, restricting messages to friends only, and turning on safe mode all at once. That three-layer approach gives you the strongest control TikTok currently offers over who can reach you and what you see. And that's it. Now you know the real TikTok message privacy tools: controlling who can DM you, filtering sensitive content with safe mode, and blocking keywords automatically. If this helped clear things up, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more accurate TikTok tips. Have a question about another TikTok feature? Drop it in the comments and I will cover it in an upcoming video. See you next time.